I'm the zombie repairman. We're here at the zombie repair facility. I'm not going to tell you where it is. Here's how it works. If you have a zombie, like your mom or girlfriend or boyfriend or husband or wife or kid or, whoever, and you're, got them tied up somewhere and you want them repaired, send me an email at
Zombie Repairman Killer
@gmail.com. Photographs, video if you can, descriptions, and then I'll go back to you and I'll ask a bunch of questions. And then we'll see if we can repair your zombie. We've had some success. I'm not going to say we've been successful. We've had some success.
Zombie.
Yeah. No, it's good. Thanks. Don't get them to help you with any difficult projects. Yeah. So.
Zombie Repairman Killer
@gmail.com. And we'll see what we can do. Bye.